Good evening. My name is Adeleke Shuremi. I'm a student of batch 2017-04-18 Group 2 member. Today, I want to present the MMM ideology, how it works, the rules, and its various benefits. What is MMM? MMM is an acronym that means Mavoda Movement, Amova Modal Movement. Is a global community of financial aid that donates for donation exchange. Is a social network that connects people who are there need to donate money with people who are ready to get money. Participants in MMM transfer money directly to one another as a peer-to-peer system. There is no central account. There is no where your money is going to. It is simply a peer-to-peer system. MMM, as we all know, has over 138 million members worldwide in 107 countries and is definitely the largest donation exchange in the whole world. In 1994, MMM have one third of the whole entire cash of Russian state, and it recently developed various Bitcoin prices in which people that are coming in determine the price of Bitcoin, and MMA is a community that is helping oneself to be free. What is the ideology of MMA? One, creating a fair financial system where money will no more be an issue, where we will be financially free. Two, creating a platform where there will be no need to go to banks or borrow money to execute a particular financial scheme. That is truly wonderful, where there will be financial freedom. In this society that is unjust, in which the gap between the rich and the poor is high, but with MMM, bring the poor to able to achieve his dream in life. How does it work? MMM is a community of ordinary people that provide each other financial help by the principle of reciprocity, benevolence, and gratuitousness. In this place, I want to show you the in MMA we simply have a provide help. This is a person that is ready, who has his own spare money in his hand, that is ready to donate it to another participant that is in need. And get help. This is a person who had earlier donated certain amount of money, spare money, in which he is now getting it back in return, and a with a kind of reward. Now, in MMM, there is an acronym that we use. Is a virtual money. We call it Marvel. Marvel is simply given to, if immediately you donate, we decide to name the your donation as Marvel. It's a virtual money which go at monthly with 30%, and this 30% go is not an interest. It's simply a reward for providing help. Where does this 30% come from? There is no rate in MMA. In MMA, after you donated your money, you get rewarded with Marvel. And Marvel is a virtual money that is used in development of the community. The amount of Marvel and its goal can be either be decreased, increased, stop, or cancel. This is the circle of your MMM goal, from providing help to getting help, and back to make a get a reward, make donation again to the same money, and that's how it works. And this is this mathematical approach. Remember, 100 people donate 100,000, 100 naira, and with their various reward, and that is how it's going on, repeating like that. What are the benefits of MMM? MMM offer a mutual aid program with 30% good for your donation. It helps with this reward. It makes you financially free. It makes you financially free from slavery, from the wicked, of the bankers, of those who are that in charge of controlling money. This, as a new member of MMM, you will be given a bonus. We call it registration bonus, and this registration bonus is determined by the amount of money that you donated. Please do not forget that you are expected to donate only your spare money. For people that donate between $50 to 500, is between $20 to 100,000 naira, you'll be rewarded $20, and $500 and above from 200,000 150 to about 500, you given $50 registration bonus, so and so forth. And referral bonus, we have a referral. MMM is a great community that reward hard work. Once you come in, invite people, and you'll be rewarded for it. You get 10% of that the people that you bring in, and before you know it, you begin to have a a people under you, and you decide to become a manager that is developing your structure. MMM also has a benefit that makes you a leader in life, make you a manager and be financially free. You can simply God remember attending the guidance to develop your own structure, earn various money. At some stage you stand from 5% to 3%, 1%, from generation to generation, so that you will get reward for your hard labor. One thing I will continue, I will restate here, that MMM is risk. Use your spare money. This you be aware of it. You can definitely lose this money. Is a community of people who donate money, and if anything happen to your money, you will not your spare money. So donate only spare money. And MMM not only has it helping making you financially free, we have various charity organizations that is being opening of club, advertisement, newspaper and other. Those are the various benefits of MMM. Now let's go to the rules that guide the working principle of MMM. One, you are expected not to open a multiple account. If you open a multiple account more than, you will be blocked. Do not share your email or your account details to another member. If the administration of MMM get to know, the penalty is blocking. Do not delay in payment of your order. If you delay in payment after receiving a money, and the administration get to know, you will be blocked. Rule 4, do not edit your bank details or exchange power less than 15 before getting help. And the penalty, your guest rate will be late for 14 days if you do that. Do not clear or refuse to payment more than once in a month. If you do that, you will be blocked. Do not make deposit and fail to attach proof of payment. If you do that, you will be blocked. Now, rule 7, do not fail to confirm your payment. If you do that, you will be blocked. Rule 8, do not allow your family member to provide them more than you. If they have, they need to make it in such a way that they will be under your structure. Always remember to write letter of happiness and maximum of 3 days after you've collected. Failure to do that, you'll be blamed. Thank you. God bless.